Yes, students. Now the next content is the basic nature of amines. That is, we can say the amines are alkaline or basic in nature. Okay, all the amines. It may be aromatic amines or it may be aromatic amines. Student, you know that aliphatic amines and aromatic amines, that is containing benzene ring, are derived by the ammonia. Okay, ammonia, that is NH3. Now in NH3 there is a lone pair electron on nitrogen atom. Hence nitrogen can easily donate its lone pair. As it can donate its lone pair, it acts as Lewis base. Get it? So what are the Lewis base? Those compound which is capable to donate lone pair electron called Lewis base. Therefore ammonia, I have written ammonia in the form of HNH2. Actually it is what? NH3, but it is written as HNH2. Now there is a lone pair, therefore it can donate it, so it acts as Lewis base. Okay, but the aliphatic amine means RNH2 and aromatic amine means benzene ring and NH2, which is simply called aniline. They also consist nitrogen with one lone pair. Therefore, they are also basic in nature. But what about the strength of basic nature of 1, 2 and 3 compound? That is ammonia and their two derivatives. So, to check the strength of basic nature, we have to see which compound can easily donate lone pair, because the basic nature will depends on how easy any compound can donate lone pair. All the compound can donate lone pair, no problem. But here the magnitude of easiness, getting, so one which will easily donate lone pair will be act as strong base, and one which will difficultly release lone pair will act as weaker base. Is it clear? Now the donation of lone pair will depends on what? The donation of lone pair will depend on availability and electron density around the central atom. Okay, what is the central atom? N is the central atom. So the electron density on N will decide how easy N can, and that is nitrogen can donate its lone pair. So here student, you know that R, that is called alkyl radical, it acts as what? Electron releasing group. So being it is electron releasing group, it will release electron on nitrogen. Thus the electron density around nitrogen will increase, so it can easily donate its lone pair. Isn't it? Therefore it will be more stronger base as compared to ammonia. Thus aliphatic amines are more basic as compared to ammonia. On the other hand, if we observe aniline, in aniline there is a benzene ring, and the benzene ring is highly unsaturated due to presence of pi electron pair and delocalization of it. It is what? Unsaturated. So being it is unsaturated, now it withdraws electron from N, and if it withdraws electron from N, now the electron density around N will decrease, and if the electron density will decrease, then the capacity to donate lone pair will also decrease. That is, it will difficultly release what? Lone pair. Isn't it? Therefore it is lesser basic or less basic as compared to ammonia. Thus in one word we can say that the aliphatic amines are what? Most basic. What? This is what? Most basic. This is what? Moderate basic. And this is what? Least basic. This is what? Least basic. Are you getting? Now the second thing, here the comparative study. Okay, as aliphatic amines are more basic. Why? Due to what? Electron releasing nature of or hence as the number of R okay increases, as the number of R increases, basic nature will increase. Basic nature will increase. Okay, like RnH2, it has what? 1 R, so this will be less basic. On the other hand, if we find the next one RR and what? N and H, now it will become what? More basic. Why now it is more basic? It is because two electron releasing group are directly attached with the central atom, so they will increase the more electron density around the nitrogen, so will become more basic. While in the other hand, if there are 3 alkyl radical attached to central R, now due to positive inductive effect, this is called what? Positive inductive effect or positive I effect, or you can say electron releasing nature, there will be more and more release of electron, will increase more density on nitrogen atom, therefore it will become what? Most basic. So in simple way we can say primary amines are lesser basic, secondary amines are more basic, while the tertiary amines are most basic. But remember, this phenomenon is on the basis of if the compound are in gaseous state. Remember, this is called what? Gaseous phase comparison. The most important thing is what? Gaseous phase comparison. Because if there will be aqueous medium, then the sequence, that is order of basic nature, will change. But if it is in gaseous phase, this is the order. The primary amine is least, secondary amine is moderate, and the tertiary amines are most basic in nature.